In this video, I'm going to take quiz 2 about two-step equations, and there are 5 problems in this quiz. The first question is, Betsy tried to solve an equation step by step. 3 times a plus 7 equals minus 33. Okay, so the first step, let's see. So I see that on the left hand side she got rid of the 3, which means that she divided both sides of the equation by 3. So here we are left with a plus 7, and here 33 divided by 3 minus 33 divided by 3 is indeed minus 11. So this step is correct. Then she needs to subtract 7 from both sides of the equation to get rid of the 7 on the left hand side. And minus 11 minus 7 is not minus 4. Minus 11 minus 7, because the two numbers are negative, we need to add them up, and the sign of the result is negative, so it needs to be minus 18 and not minus 4. So this step is incorrect, so her mistake is in step 2. Solve for W. Okay, so 4 equals 0.25 times W minus 4.3. So first we will get rid of the 0.25 on the right hand side of the equation. So we divide both sides by 0.25. So on the left hand side we have 4 divided by 0.25. This equals W minus 4.3. And 4 divided by 0.25 is like 400 divided by 25. 25 goes into 40 one time. 1 times 25 is 25. Subtract with 15 remainder, bring down the 0. 25 goes into 150. 5 times 20, 4 times 25 is 100. Sorry for that. Something fell in the kitchen. Okay, so 25 goes into 156 times. Okay, 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay. So 4 divided by 0.25 is 16. 16 equals W minus 4.3, and then to get rid of the minus 4.3 on the right hand side, I need to add 4.3 to both sides of the equation. So W on the right hand side, and on the left hand side, 16 plus 4.3 is 20.3. now we need to verify this. So I will plug it in the initial equation. So 20, let's see, 4 equals 0.25 times 20.3 minus 4.3. So this is 4.3. So this is 16, and 0.25 is a quarter of 16. 16 divided, yeah. So this is good. So the result is indeed 20.3. W equals 20.3. And took a taxi home from the airport. The taxi fare was $2.10 per mile, and she gave the driver a tip of $5 and paid a total of $49.10. So $49.10 equals the $5 tip that she gave them plus $2.10 per mile, and we don't know the number of miles, so this is the unknown. So $2.10 times the unknown number of miles plus the $5 tip that she gave him, and this is the total amount that she paid him, $49.10. Okay. So 5 plus $2.10 times x equals $49.10. So this is the equation. So now we need to subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. So here we are left with $44.10. This equals 2.10 times x. And now we need to divide both sides of the equation by 2.10. So 44.1 divided by 2.1 equals x. So the same thing is 441 divided by 21. So 21 goes into 44 2 times. 2 times 21 is 42. 2 remainder, bring down the 1. 21 goes into 21 one time, so x equals 21. Now I need to plug it in the original equation to make sure that this is correct. So 49.1 equals 5 plus 2.1 times x, which is, instead of x, I plug in 21. Okay, so 2.1 times 21 times 21 is 1 times 21 is 21, and 2 times 21 is 42. So 1, 4, 4. So this is 441 plus 5. 4, it's not 40. 141 is 44.1. 2.1, and we have one digit to the right of the decimal point, so 44.1 plus 5 is indeed 49.1, so x is equal to 21. Jenny buys 22 sports drinks for her soccer team. They are on sale for 35 cents, $0.35 off per drink. Jenny paid $18.70 for the 22 sports drink. Okay, so we don't know the price. What is the pre-sale price of the sport? Yeah, we don't know the price, and we know that there was a 35 cents discount on this price, and she bought, so x minus this discount is the price of this drink, and she bought 22 of these drinks, and she paid a total of $18.70. Okay, so x here, what is the equation helps us to find the price of the drink before the sale. Yeah. What is the pre-sale price of the sport? No, the total amount that she spent is $18.70. So A is the correct answer. Let's see again, the pre-sale price of a sports drink. One drink. Yeah. Good. Solve for C. Okay. So first we need to subtract 1/4 from both sides of the equation to get rid of this 1/4. So 5/4 minus 1/4 equals minus 4c. Okay. So on the left hand side we are left with 4/4, which is 1 equals minus 4c. So 1 equals minus 4c, and then we need to divide both sides of the equation by minus 4 because we want to isolate the c. So on the right hand side we are left with c, and on the left hand side 1 divided by minus 4. Yeah. So negative 1/4. Okay, so this is the question, the answer. Now let's plug it in the original equation. So 5/4 equals minus 4 times minus 1/4 plus 1/4. Yeah. Okay, so negative times negative is a positive, and 4 times 1 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and the result is negative, so we have here 5/4 equals 1 plus 1/4, which is 5/4 equals 5/4. Yeah, so this is good. So the result is C equals minus 1/4. Thank you for watching. So in the next video, I'm going to move on to the next section, which is one-step inequalities, and I will do this practice. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.